Most founders think they have a sales problem. They don't, they have an education problem, and it's quietly draining their revenue every single month. If you're getting leads but not conversions, pay attention. Setting the scene, here's what this usually looks like. You're running ads, you're posting content, people are clicking, some even book calls, but then they stall, they hesitate, they disappear, and you start asking yourself, is my offer wrong? Is my pricing too high? Do I need better copy? Most of the time. None of that is the problem. What really going on here, what's actually happening is simple. You're asking people to make a decision. Before they understand what decision they're making, they don't clearly see what problem you really solve, why their current approach isn't working, or why your solution is the logical next step, so they freeze. And when people are confused, they don't object, they do nothing, the hidden cost you're paying. That's what I call the confusion tax. It's the invisible cost you pay when you skip education and expect leads to connect the dots on their own. Every confused lead costs you money, even if they never say no. The part most founders miss, here's the part most founders underestimate. When you don't educate your leads, you lose roughly 70% of your potential conversions. Not because people rejected you, but because they never reached clarity. That's the most expensive loss in business. Let me give you a quick example. Two founders, same traffic, same offer. Founder A, no education, straight to book a call. Out of 1,000 leads, 10 calls. Founder B, a short education path, emails or videos that explain the problem, the stakes, and the solution. Out of the same 1,000 leads, 40 calls. Nothing magical happened. The second founder just removed confusion. If your lifetime value is $5,000, that difference compounds into about $150,000. Not from working harder. From thinking better. Here's the mindset shift you need. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Selling is not persuasion, selling is clarity. When people understand what's broken, why it's costing them, and what fixing it looks like, the decision becomes obvious. High-pressure sales don't scale, manual convincing doesn't scale, infrastructure scales. This is what a real revenue engine looks like. It educates before it asks, it answers questions before objections appear, it turns attention into understanding, and understanding into action. By the time someone reaches your calendar, they already know why they're there. That's how you shorten sales cycles, without burning yourself out. What you can do next, if this resonates, here's what to do next. First, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Every week, I break down how to diagnose revenue leaks and build systems that fix them. Second, if you want help applying this, check the description and book a conversion audit. I'll review your current content to conversion path, and show you exactly where confusion is killing your revenue. No theory, no fluff, just the leak, and the fix. Closing, stop paying the confusion tax, build clarity into your system once, and let it compound. That's how real revenue engines are built.